Hey, it's Brian. We're back at Flagship Property Management. One of the questions we get this time of the year is, can I get top dollar for my rental property if it's a vacant unit? We're in the holiday season now. Thanksgiving was last week. Christmas is coming up, New Year's, and then just the cold season in general. Then in a college town like we are here in Greenville, North Carolina, or in a military town such as Goldsboro, North Carolina, it's not the peak of the season to get the most money available. The tenant pool is a little bit smaller. The property pool was also smaller, but the tenant pool was smaller. So this point in time of the year, we try to do whatever we can to get as close to market value as possible. We may have to drop that down just a touch to fill your vacancy. We also will entertain a shorter term lease, and we'll consult our property owners on that. So we may encourage a 6 or a 9 month lease, for instance, to get us back into that peak season of the rental market. But again, anything shorter than a 12-month lease, we will consult our owners before doing so. One thing we never do is lower the quality of our standards of applicant. We always seek the highest quality of tenant, regardless of peak of the season, slower part of the season, or a shorter or longer term lease.